Okay, let's go over how to draw Skibidi Toilet. Gonna go right over here into his smile. Draw a line there for the corner of his smile. Pull a line down here, and it's gonna curve right here. Edge of the smile right here, and line right there. Sweet. Gonna pull a line down here. Pull a line down here. And curve underneath. All right, now let's find his teeth. All right. Line down on that side, line down on this side. And then we're gonna draw like some curve, curve, curve right there, little curves just for the way the teeth are gonna go. Let's fill this side in here for the darkness behind him. Fill it in over here. Curve, 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 curve. Line, 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 line. All right, that's the gum line. Just kind of little bumps as well. And now we're gonna draw some lines right here for kind of the teeth themselves. So far, so good. Hit the like button if you like Skibidi Toilet. You know, it's always good to do that. Oops, sorry, I moved the microphone, forgive me. All right, let's go down here to the nose, down for one of the nostrils. Curve right here, like a little square shape almost, bottom of the square shape for the tip of the nose. Line over here for the other edge of the nose. Gonna go the curve for the side of the nostril, curve for the side of the nostril. Line there for between the eyes. Kind of where the nose is hitting right there. Line over here for one eye. Curve. Line over here for the other eye. Curve down. Curve over here, up. Curve over here, up. Circle, circle. Dot, dot. Line underneath here, line underneath the eye right there. So far, so good. Okay. We're gonna do an eyebrow kind of angled up. Like there. It's kind of making this nervous, weird face. Like so. Cheekbone on this side. Cheekbone on this side. Line down here for the side of the face. Down here for the side of this face. Down toward the chin. Down toward the chin. Right down here. Pulling up. Pulling up. Line here, zigzag. Right there, that's for the hairline, right? And we're gonna go over here and find, like from the cheekbone here, line up. Cheekbone over here, line up. And curve over here for the top of the head and down. So you have the top of the hair right there. So far, so good. Circular line here for one ear. Line over here for the other ear. Let's go over here, draw a line for the inner ear right there. And then from the neck, right here, I'm gonna draw a straight line, aiming downward. Same thing over here, aiming downward. line across, line over here, line over here. Line out. Line out over here. So we're drawing the bottom of the toilet right now. Before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like if you like learning how to draw stuff every single day. I post a different video every single day. Sometimes I go live. I've been going live a lot more lately, but I'm trying to get something set up and then I'm gonna start going live every day if I can. Down right here, down this corner, and curve along here. That's the top of the toilet seat. Gonna go over here, this side, down. This side over here, down. Curve along here, kind of a little bit curved up, right? So it looks like it's a round bowl. We're gonna start selling stickers as well too, so check that out in the description. There's full lessons in the description. There is, I think something else that I really like is that there's a cute drawing ebook, and I've talked about this before. If you wanna learn how to draw cute, go check out that ebook. It is free, it is a gift to you guys for the season. Curve along here for the bottom of the bowl. Curve along here for the bottom of the bowl. Straight line-ish across. Out. Out. Curve for the bottom. I'm like touching basically the bottom of the page there. All right, let's go over here for the back. Let's see, go up right here, kind of the start of the toilet seat. Curve like so. And curve over here. Try to keep a consistent line if you can. Circle right here for kind of like where the bowl falls. That kind of like the lid. Sorry, did I say the bowl? I said lid over there, sorry, lid. So far, so good. You're doing great, by the way. Curve right here for the Adam's apple. Curve right here for the Adam's apple. Line down, line down. Share the video, by the way, as well, if you can. It's a huge, huge thing if you share it. If you find my stuff worth watching, please give it a share. It is a very big deal when you do that. I can actually tell when you do that as well. I can see it, can tell there's like a boost of like energy. I'm like, oh, okay, wow, somebody shared it. Curve up over here for the back, like that kind of back of the toilet part. Line across, and now I'm gonna try to keep track all the way over here. Line across over there. Line over here, over here. Line over here, over here. Up, across, and across. And let's draw the handle. Literally just kind of like a little tap like that. Handle would be good enough. If you made it to this point, by the way, you're amazing, okay? You're an amazing person. Share the video if you can. Say what's up, and I will say hi back. If you say hi right now, it'll let me know that you watched the whole video. So say hi, I'm gonna respond to you. Talk to you soon. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's gonna be within the same theme, and you wanna keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.